friends, take a look at this powerful beauty, our VYU1125 kVA diesel gensets. Built tough, smart, and efficient, this 1000 kVA genset is powered by VYU1125 YCTH281320G31 engine. This genset coupled with Voltgent alternator, VAL404D2 alternator, and Deep Sea A610 controller offers full intelligent control and smooth power delivery. It can easily run in parallel, balance loads automatically. If one unit fails, the other takes over instantly. This model is built for extreme cold down to -30 degrees with an automatic temperature control system. The electric louvers open when running and close when stopped to keep the heat inside. When the temperature drops below 5 degrees, the internal heater automatically kicks in. Keep everything ready for instant start. With 10 hours built-in fuel tank, it is ready for long and continuous operation without refueling. Here we're equipped with 35 dB residential-grade silencer, powerful yet quiet. Take a closer look. Every detail from the welding to the finish reflects Voltgent's obsession with quality. We design and build each container from raw materials, ensuring strength, durability, and total customization for every client. Before delivery, every unit will go through our full load test. What you see here is the performance you can trust. Strong power, intelligent control, and human-centered design. This is what Voltgent stands for. Voltgent, powering industries worldwide. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more.